Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Welcome to my channel Car Hospital. Today I'm going to teach you why motherboard have those tiny holes. Okay, we call it vias. I'm going to show you actually what they are. Okay, and once you know, you will never look at PCB the same way again. So let's start it. A lot of beginners think holes manufacture mistake useless, but actually they are one of the most important part of the board. We call it vias, and trust me, without them motherboard would not work at all. So a via is a basically tiny metal tube. I'll show you. This is vias, metal tiny hole. See, metal tube. I broke this ECM here. So a via is basically tiny metal tube that connect one copper layer of the PCB to another. I have a question. Why motherboard need vias? Okay. Motherboard are not just a one layer. I'll show you. This is the motherboard, just not a one layer. See, upper side is there is a one layer here. Okay, and downside also. See another layer. Okay, so motherboard are not just one layer, they are multi-layer, like 4 layer, 6 layer, 8 layer, 10 layer, even 12. We only see the top and the bottom. We only see this top and bottom, but we can't see inside those layer. Okay, but inside the board there are hidden copper layer carrying signal, grounds, power, data line, all stuck like a sandwich. And vias are the elevators inside this building. Electrical signals jump between one and another floors. Okay, thank you. If my information helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.